This is Disney Entertainment News Today. I'm Rob Whiteside, and here now are the top Disney entertainment stories for Tuesday, November 1st, 2022. Well, the trailer for the Guardians of the Galaxy Holiday Special was leaked online, and you can watch it right now on WDWNT.com. In this trailer, Drax and Mantis set out to bring Christmas cheer to Star-Lord, who is mourning Gamora, by kidnapping Terran actor Kevin Bacon. The Guardians of the Galaxy Holiday Special begins streaming November 25th on Disney+. A full trailer and key art for the Santa Clauses has been released ahead of the show's premiere on Disney+ next month. The art features Santa Claus and his family in his sleigh. Tim Allen and Elizabeth Mitchell will return as Scott Calvin, a.k.a. Santa Claus, and Carol, a.k.a. Mrs. Claus, respectively. Austin Kane will play their son Cal. Elizabeth Allen Dick, Tim Allen's daughter, will play their daughter Sandra. Also among the cast is Cal Penn as Simon Chosky, a single father, ambitious game inventor, and product developer whose visit to the North Pole makes a big impact on the direction of his life. He's joined by Rapali Red, playing the role of Grace, his angelic daughter with a love for Santa and all things Christmas. It also stars Devin Bright as Noel and Matilda Lawler as Betty. The Santa Clauses will pick up with Scott Calvin, about to turn 65, starting to lose his Santa magic and realizing that he needs to find a suitable replacement Santa. The first 2 episodes of the 6-episode series will premiere on Wednesday, November 16 on Disney+. Watch the trailer right now on our website. Are you excited for the return of Tim Allen as Santa Claus? You know what to do. Let us know in the comments below. As Elton John prepares to wrap his farewell Yellow Brick Road tour, Disney announced last week that his final concert in North America will stream live on Disney+. The legendary musician will play his final show in North America on November 20th from Dodger Stadium in Los Angeles, and it will stream live at 8 p.m. Pacific Time. Quote, "To feel the energy from the best fans not only in Dodger Stadium again, but this time around the world from those watching live at home, will be truly extra special for me," said Elton John. "I'm thrilled to celebrate this momentous evening globally. I hope everyone feels the power and joy of performing on a stage as iconic as Dodgers, just like I did almost 50 years ago." Elton John Live Farewell from Dodger Stadium will commemorate a watershed evening in music history as it unfolds in real time at Dodger Stadium, giving 50,000-plus fans in person and countless admirers around the world a rare chance to experience the biggest hits from the past 50 years. The extraordinary night will also feature several yet-to-be-announced big-name artists who will honor the legendary megastar on stage. This spectacular evening will serve as a prelude to the highly anticipated 2023 Disney original documentary, Goodbye Yellow Brick Road, the final Elton John performances and the years that made his legend, from Academy Award nominee R.J. Cutler and filmmaker David Furnish. As the official feature on Elton John Goodbye Yellow Brick Road will unveil unseen rehearsal and concert footage over the past 50 years, along with exclusive personal archives and interviews. The definitive portrait of Elton John also will spotlight his final months on the road and a look back at the extraordinary first 5 years of his career between 1970 and 1975, when he released 10 iconic albums, 7 of which went to number 1 on the Billboard charts to become a global phenomenon. The film will play festivals and have a theatrical run before it streams on Disney+. This past summer, rumors were swirling that Disney was in talks with the BBC to acquire the streaming rights to one of the most popular shows, the Doctor Who series. Judy Gatwa announced the news during an appearance on Live with Kelly and Ryan. The Disney Plus Twitter account also tweeted out the news. Quote, "It's almost time for Doctor Who's next regeneration," read the tweet. The series will be coming to Disney Plus in 2023. The tweet also revealed a new logo for the show. The series will stream on Disney Plus outside the UK and Ireland. It will also continue to air on BBC. Although Doctor Who can be seen on BBC America, Disney Plus will bring the series to a global audience. Quote, "It's the best of both worlds," said showrunner Russell T. Davies. "The vision and joy of BBC and Disney Plus together, we can launch the TARDIS all around the planet, reaching a new generation of fans while keeping our traditional home firmly on the BBC in the UK and Ireland." The new season will debut in November 2023 with a 60th anniversary special, quote, which will officially introduce David Tennant as the 14th iteration of the Doctor. They go on to say how and why Tennant, who previously played the 10th Doctor, is back. Quote, "It's a mystery that will be explored over 3 specials. After that, Gatwa will take over the role during the festive season, as is traditional. In an interview with Variety this past summer, Neil Patrick Harris, who is also in the new series, revealed that Ncuti Gatwa, Scottish actor born in Rwanda, is not only the first black doctor, but will also be the first gay doctor. Quote, "I got to meet and interact with him a bit, and he's glorious," Harris says of Gatwa. "He'll be the first gay doctor, which is going to be super cool, a sexier doctor." Since 1963, when the show first aired, the show has been wildly popular with fans. Attend any Comic-Con and you'll be sure to see people dressed up as the Doctor, his blue TARDIS, a Dalek, or any other number of characters. The program follows the adventures of a Time Lord called the Doctor, an extraterrestrial being who appears to be human. The Doctor explores the universe in a time-traveling spaceship called the TARDIS. The TARDIS exterior appears as a blue British police box, a common sight in Britain when the series first aired. Along the way, the Doctor works to save civilizations and help people in need by taking on enemies with the help of different people along the way. At this time, only the upcoming season and onward will stream on Disney+. The past seasons will remain on HBO Max. Wakanda's superheroes are teaming up with a music superstar as Rihanna has released a new song that will be featured in Marvel Studios' Black Panther, Wakanda Forever. Rihanna posted a short video teasing the song using an R from the film's title, with her name and the song title in both Wakandan and English. You can listen to the song on our website, or you can find the song on your preferred music player. The song was released Friday, October 28th, and is currently available to be pre-saved on Spotify, Apple Music, and Tidal. Lift Me Up marks her first song release as a lead artist since 2016, according to Pitchfork. A press release for the song revealed that it will serve as a tribute to the late actor Chadwick Boseman, who starred as the titular hero until his passing in 2020. The movie will address the loss of Boseman as Wakanda mourns the passing of his character, T'Challa. Director Ryan Coogler worked with Boseman's family in deciding how to address the death. Quote, "Chadwick had people who were in his life creatively, as well as his family, and we were in close contact with those people, very close specifically with his wife Simone and his creative partner Logan Coles," Coogler told The Hollywood Reporter. "We were staying tapped in with them as much as we could, and it gave us the space to create, but obviously we were seeking out their opinion all the time. We're looking forward to sharing it with everybody." Rihanna co-wrote the song with Tems, the artist whose cover of No Woman, No Cry was featured in the first teaser trailer for the film. Tems said, quote, "After speaking with Ryan and hearing the direction for the film and the song, I wanted to write something that portrays a warm embrace from all the people that I've lost in my life. I tried to imagine what it would feel like if I could sing to them now and express how much I miss them." She continued, "Rihanna has been an inspiration to me, so hearing her convey this song is a great honor." The full soundtrack to Black Panther Wakanda Forever, music from and inspired by, will be released on November 4th, while Black Panther Wakanda Forever original score will be released on November 11th. Black Panther Wakanda Forever debuts in theaters on November 11th, and Ryan Coogler, who directed the first movie, returns to direct the sequel. Damon Lindelof's Star Wars movie has found a director in Ms. Marvel's Sharmeen Obaid-Chinoy, according to Deadline's Justin Kroll. While no formal announcement of the film has been made yet, Lindelof's project, which he will co-write, was rumored to be in development back in March. Sources told Deadline that while the project is still being written and a long way off from filming, it is important to have a director early in the process so that vision could be incorporated into the script. While it may be a while until we see what adventure they'll come up with, it seems it's the frontrunner of several projects to be released first. Taika Waititi's film, originally rumored for a 2023 release, won't be filming this year as he is scheduled to be in New Zealand filming the HBO Max series Our Flag Means Death. Back in June, Waititi said, quote, "I'm still trying to figure out what the story is." Meanwhile, comicbook.com reports that Marvel Studios chief Kevin Feige's planned debut in the Star Wars franchise, which was announced in 2019, may not even happen. Though it may be a while before we see another Star Wars film on the big screen, Disney Plus remains the streaming home of a galaxy far, far away. Season 3 of The Mandalorian is set to premiere on Disney Plus in February 2023, while the Rogue One, a Star Wars story prequel, Andor, has already been renewed for a second season. Ahsoka, Star Wars Skeleton Crew, and The Acolyte are also in various stages of production. Video of an impressive Banshee animatronic has surfaced, sadly, not from Pandora, the world of Avatar, at Disney's Animal Kingdom in the Walt Disney World Resort, but from the newly opened Avatar Experience at Gardens by the Bay in Singapore. Avatar The Experience opened on October 28, 2022 at Cloud Forest in Gardens by the Bay. This immersive experience brings two worlds together and opens your eyes to the magnificent story of Avatar, the highest-grossing film of all time. City Neon Holdings, Disney location-based experiences, and Lightstorm Entertainment have produced a brand new immersive walkthrough event inside Cloud Forest. Avatar, The Experience, invites guests to connect with the alien world of Pandora, its bioluminescent environments, mystical creatures, flora, and the captivating culture of its indigenous people, the Na'vi. Come experience and celebrate this epic story in this one-of-a-kind setting. Visitors to Cloud Forest at Gardens by the Bay are in for something amazing this fall. Be among the first people on the planet to see, explore, and connect with this spectacular story told like never before. Encounter a full-scale parent banshee in motion. Interact up close with the first realization of a baby banshee and a viper wolf pup. Even new creatures from the upcoming film Avatar: The Way of Water will be included in this immersive walkthrough experience exclusively premiering in Singapore. You can check out just how lifelike this Ikran animatronic is in the video shared on Twitter. Riding a banshee, or Ikran, is the central premise of the popular Walt Disney World attraction Avatar: Flight of Passage. Pandora, the world of Avatar in Disney's Animal Kingdom would be the perfect spot for this sort of offering, as evidenced by the comments on social media regarding the video. Honestly, the lack of living Pandoran wildlife out of the land and alongside the Na'vi River Journey boat ride is probably the only weak point of the entire highly praised theme park. Of course, the long-anticipated Avatar: The Way of Water film will hit theaters this December. If the film is near as successful as the first, it's probably only a matter of time until more Avatar attractions appear at Disney's Animal Kingdom or at other Disney theme parks around the world. In fact, it is rumored that Disneyland Paris may look to replace the originally planned Star Wars-themed land for Walt Disney Studios Park with either an Avatar or the Lion King land. A new Avatar exhibit recently opened at Shanghai Disneyland, but it isn't quite the same thing as a full-blown land with rides, restaurants, shops, and more as offered at Walt Disney World. For the absolute latest in Disney entertainment news, head on over to WDWNT.com and follow us on all of your favorite social media platforms. If you're enjoying this show, and of course we hope you are, please be sure to like this video, subscribe to WDWNT TV on YouTube for more great content, and click the bell for notifications. Also hit select all notifications so you never miss an episode of the show. And if you enjoy Disney movies and TV shows, don't forget to join us for our weekly review show, Deep in the Plus. We do that show live every Wednesday night at 9 p.m., and you can find previous episodes available on demand right here on WDWNT TV. For the worldwide leader in Disney parks news and entertainment, this is Rob Whiteside saying don't have a good day, have a great day, and we'll see you next time.